Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a simple homemade soil tonic for cucumber plants when they have 2 to 3 true leaves. At this stage the roots are expanding rapidly and the plant is preparing to produce tendrils and its first flower buds. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of wheat flour to a bowl. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of dry baking yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps feed the yeast during the resting period. Next, pour in 30 milliliters of clean water and stir until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. Cover the bowl and let the mixture rest for about 5 hours in a cool, shaded place. After that, transfer the mixture to a jug and add 500 milliliters of clean water, stirring well until everything is evenly mixed. Finally, dilute it with 2.5 liters of clean water before applying it around the base of your cucumber plants. This mixture adds organic matter that may help support healthy soil and beneficial microorganisms. In healthy, well-managed soil, cucumber roots can grow more vigorously, helping the plants absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. For the best results, keep the soil loose, well-drained, and free of weeds. Healthy roots support sturdy stems, deep green leaves, continuous flowering, and better fruit development throughout the growing season. Apply this solution once every 7 to 10 days as a supplementary organic fertilizer.